Okay, an accelerometer mounted on the building frame indicates that the frame is vibrating harmonically at 15 cycle per second. CPS means cycle per second, 15 cycle per second. Is equals to what? Anybody knows?
15 hertz.
Yeah, true. So 15 cycle per second. Remember, 1 cycle per second equals to 1 hertz. So our frequency for this question is 15 hertz. All right. And then they also give you the maximum acceleration of 0.5 g. Okay, so our acceleration is x double dot is our acceleration, right? So x double dot equals to 0.5 g. Acceleration equals to 0.5 g. That's all. Okay. And the question asks you to determine the amplitude and the maximum velocity. The question wants you to find A, amplitude, and also maximum velocity. What is A and what is x dot? All right, velocity is x dot, right? So the question wants you to find two things here. So of the building frame. So first of all, what can you do for this question? Okay, firstly, if you already have the value for frequency, you can straight away find the omega. All right, the omega for this question will be, remember the formula for omega is omega equals to 2 pi f. All right, and you already have your f value to be 15 hertz. Okay, so you can just straight away calculate from here. 2 times pi and times 15, you'll get the value of 94.25 radian per second. Okay, next, we already have the value for omega. So using this from your lecture slide, okay, as you can see, x equals to a, right? Displacement equals to distance equals to amplitude, or displacement equals to amplitude, right? So I'm just going to take it out here. X equals to a, and then your x dot, your velocity equals to x dot equals to omega times a. And lastly, your x double dot, your acceleration, equals to omega squared times a. All right, these are the formulas, okay, that you can get from your lecture slide. So second step is, you know that your x double dot from the slides, the formula is omega squared times a. Okay, and you know that your x double dot given in this question is, your acceleration is 0.5 g. You just substitute that back inside. 0.5 g equals to your omega squared a. All right, where your omega, we already got your omega just now, 94.25. Okay, substitute your omega to be 94.25, and then substitute your g equals to 9.81, gravity, right? Gravity acceleration 9.81. So substitute both of them. Omega to be this one, 94.25 times a. All right, so the question now wants you to find the amplitude, right? So this formula here, you can get your a. If you want your a, multiply with 94.25 squared, bring it to the side, becomes, right, so a equals to 0.5 times 9.81 divided with 94.25 squared. All right, so you'll get the answer for your amplitude. Remember, the unit for amplitude is meter, so the the value for your amplitude will be 5.52 times 10 to the power of negative 4 meter. Alright, that's the value for your amplitude. You get 5.52 times 10 to the power negative 4 meter. Now, using these formulas that I've taken out here, alright, try to find the value for velocity. Alright, we've already found our amplitude. Now try to find the value for velocity. Okay, try to do it using the formulas just now. Yeah. All right. So now you want to find the value for amplitude. Sorry, velocity. Right. So if you want to find the velocity, the formula for velocity is x dot equals to omega times amplitude, which you already have the value for both omega and also amplitude. So you can find your maximum velocity, substitute the value for your omega, and substitute the value of the amplitude. All right. (94.25) from omega multiplied with the amplitude 5.52 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So your maximum velocity, you get the value of 0.052 meter per second. All right, and this will be your answer for this question. All right. Get both what the question wants, the amplitude and also the velocity. Okay, do you guys understand this?